Greetings! I'm Jess from TED1. Please join me as I identify the external and internal parts of a fish. For this activity, I will utilize tilapia to be dissected for this video. To start, let's identify first the external body parts of the tilapia. Located at either side of the head, we can see first the two black bulging eyeballs of tilapia. Fish use their eyes to see colors, detect short distances, find food, and avoid predators. Tracing forward, we can see two holes in between, beneath the eyes. This is called the nares, which is almost like a nostril for the fishes. But unlike nostrils, they don't use it for breathing but for smelling beneath the water. Now at the edge of the head is where the fish mouth is located. It is used mainly to swallow objects such as foods. Moving on towards the side of the head, we can see the bony flap structure, which is the operculum, which covers and protects the gills for the fish. Operculum also helps in breathing by closing and opening, allowing the water to pass through the gills. Now observing the wholeness of the fish, we can see that its body is thoroughly covered by scales. The scales serve as protection from predators, as well as helps the fish glide smoothly through the water. Next, on at the top of tilapia's body, we can see the spiny and soft dorsal fins. The spiny dorsal fin primarily functions as a defensive mechanism against predators, providing protection with its sharp spines. While the soft dorsal fin, on the other hand, aids in stability and maneuverability during swimming, and it also assists when making sudden turns and stops. Next, the caudal fin, commonly referred to as the fishtail. The caudal fin propels the fish forward, similar to a propeller. But for the propeller to move, we need a motor, which is the peduncle, located at the narrow end where the tail is attached. The caudal peduncle acts like a motor, transmitting the force generated by the fish's body muscles to the caudal fin to move. Moving to the underside, we can see the anal fin of the fish. Anal fin functions as a stabilizer, similarly to the keels on the bottom of the boat. They keep the fish from rolling over the water. Next is the vent of the fish. It is where the waste is excreted after digestion. Also, it is where the eggs and milk excreted as well. Before the stomach, we can see where the pelvic fins are located. It functions similarly to other fins, which helps to stabilize the fish while swimming and also to move upward and downwards. Next are the pectoral fins. Pectoral fins serve multiple functions for fish. They aid in steering, braking, and providing lift. Enhance maneuverability through plants, and while stationary, enables fish to perch on surfaces. And now do you see these lines across the body of the fish? That's what we call the lateral lines. The lateral line in fish is a sensory system that detects water vibrations and pressure changes, enabling them to sense prey, predators, obstacles, and currents. This sixth sense helps fish locate food, avoid danger, and maintain orientation. That's all for the external parts of the fish. Let's now move on the internal parts. With the prepared knife on the side, let's carefully dissect our fish first. Now that we have successfully cut open our fish, let's go and identify its internal parts. First, this dark, elongated organ is the fish liver. The livers of fish are responsible for the same basic metabolic functions as in mammals, including processing and storage of nutrients, the synthesis of enzymes, and other cofactors. Also bioformation and excretion and the metabolism of xenobiotic compounds. Next are the intestines of the fish. The intestines in fish are responsible for digesting food and absorbing nutrients. They break down food particles with the help of enzymes and transport nutrients into the bloodstream for energy and growth. Next, we have the fish stomach. The stomach of a fish primarily functions to store food and begin the digestion process. It secretes enzymes and acids that break down food into smaller particles for easier absorption in the intestines. Now, digging a little bit next to the liver, we can see the fish bile. Fish bile aids in the digestion and absorption of fats by emulsifying them, making it easier for digestive enzymes to break them down. Moving forward, we can see the thread-like structures, which are the fish gills. Fish gills are the organs that make the fish breathe underwater. They are responsible for gas exchange, allowing oxygen to be absorbed from water and carbon dioxide to be expelled. Next, the small triangular-like organ is the heart of the fish. The heart pumps blood throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues and removing waste products like carbon dioxide. Moving on, this is the spine of the fish. The spine in fish provides structural support, protects the spinal cord, and aids in movement by serving as an attachment point for muscles. It also helps maintain body shape and flexibility for swimming. Upon further inspection, we found the pyloric ceca, which aid in digestion by secreting enzymes and increasing the surface area for nutrient absorption. Then we also found a pair of elongated organs, which are the testes of our fish. The testes in fish produce sperm and hormones, playing a crucial role in reproduction by enabling fertilization of eggs. The last but not the least, the kidneys. The kidneys in fish serves to regulate water and salt balance, excrete waste products, and help maintain overall osmotic balance in the body. That's all for the external and internal parts of the fish. Thank you for watching.